Hey, what's up, growers? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be discussing something a bit different than usual, but still with a focus on growing, self-sufficiency, and health. So, what if I told you that you can have an endless supply of nutritious greens, even if your living space is the size of a garage? Well, prepare to be surprised as we transform a small corner into a living, thriving indoor garden. You won't believe how easy it is to grow your own microgreens and enjoy fresh, homegrown flavor every single day. For most urban growers, traditional gardening feels impossible. No backyard, limited sunlight, and often not enough space for bulky pots or raised beds. But that's where microgreens change the game. These tiny, nutrient packed greens can grow in trays or on a shelf, in a closet, or right by your kitchen window. They're fast, ready to harvest in as little as 7 to 14 days, and pound for pound, they're loaded with vitamins, antioxidants, and fresh flavor. Best of all, you don't need soil rich land or even much experience to get started. So here's your blueprint for building a microgreen garden that fits almost anywhere. Start with compact shelving units. Wire racks or even a sturdy bookshelf work great. This creates vertical growing space without eating up floor area. Now let's talk about materials. Number one, lighting. LED shop lights or grow lights in the 400 to 6500K range, talking about the light spectrum there, are affordable, energy efficient, and they give your greens all the spectrum they need. Next are trays. All you need are some standard 10 by 20 planting trays. Grab some with holes for drainage and some without for catching water. Next is the grow medium. Coco coir and potting soil or even hemp mats all work great. Pick what fits best for your budget and cleanup style. Some other essentials are a simple spray bottle for misting, a small fan, and a timer to automate your lights. And a pro tip, stagger your trays. Start a new tray every 3 to 4 days. That way you'll always have fresh greens cycling through, which allows daily harvest. Now the fun part, planting. Fill your tray with 1 to 2 inches of grow medium, smooth it out, and evenly scatter your seeds across the surface. Microgreens love density, so don't be shy. Aim for a nice, even carpet of seeds. Some great starter options are radish, broccoli, kale, and basil. Radishes are lightning fast, broccoli is nutrient dense, kale has a mild flavor, and basil adds a gourmet touch. After seeding, mist the surface well, cover the tray with another tray or board to capture humidity, and leave it in darkness for a few days. This creates the germination blanket effect, helping seeds push roots down and shoots up. And for more on this, I did do a video on how to get near 100% germination rates. You should see that pop in the top right of the video now. Give a click on that for more. Once sprouted, move trays under your lights for 12 to 16 hours a day. Keep them moist but not soggy. Water from the bottom whenever possible to reduce mold risk. Within 1 to 2 weeks, you'll have lush greens ready to harvest. Cut just above the medium, rinse, and store in the fridge for up to a week. So beyond the basics, even in a micro setup, things can go wrong. So let's cover a few quick fixes. With mold, you want to improve airflow with a fan and water from the bottom whenever you can, not the top. For leggy growth or long, thin, spindly stems, increase light intensity or bring fixtures closer. Uneven germination, use a cover weight during the first few days to encourage even sprouting. Now let's talk about getting creative. Microgreens aren't just garnish, they can be tossed into salads, blended with smoothies, layered on sandwiches, or sprinkled over soups and pasta. Think of them as your daily dose of homegrown nutrition. As you gain confidence, scaling up is easy. Add more trays, expand your shelf unit, or even dedicate a small closet to production. Microgreens are one of the easiest crops to grow commercially. If you decide to turn your hobby into a side hustle, that could serve as a wonderful pathway to larger production. Your green revolution starts now. So let's recap. Microgreens give urban growers a way to escape the concrete jungle with fresh, nutrient-dense food growth right at home. With nothing more than shelves, light, trays, and a few seeds. You can start harvesting your own greens in under 2 weeks. They're fast, affordable, sustainable, and packed with flavor. Most importantly, they're a reminder that no matter how small your space, you can still take control of your food and enjoy the satisfaction of growing something yourself. So grab some seeds, set up your first tray, and share your results. Drop a comment below with the microgreen you're most excited to try, and let's grow together. Well, that concludes this video, guys. I really do hope you liked. It's a bit different than my usual content. As always, I did want to thank you for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed, and comment below some tips and tricks for other growers and your favorite microgreen. Subscribe for more, and as always, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.